Welcome to the long-term review, where we only review products that we've owned for at least 3 months. And today we're reviewing the Expedition Units Project 8020 waterproof backpack. Now I have 2 of these backpacks, one in olive green and the other in carbon black, and over the past year and 9 months, I have used them quite a bit. On the use scale, I probably use these somewhere in between every day and often. You can pick these backpacks up on the Expedition Units website. I got 2 because it's technically a better deal, plus I think I had a coupon code. But if you get 1, it's like 109 bucks. If you get 2, they're like 98 bucks each. And if you get 3, they're like 90 bucks each. The reason I got these backpacks is because I like to ride motorcycles, and at the time I was just using whatever backpack I had lying around, but I wanted something cool, durable, and waterproof in case I got in a storm. The internet did its thing and started flooding my social media with ads for these backpacks, which seem to check all of my boxes. As you can see, I've used the black bag a lot more than the green bag, and that's because it's my daily bag. Whenever I go on a motorcycle ride, I throw this on and I'm able to carry all of my things inside. I usually want a lot of empty room in case I need to put something in here. If I stop at the store, or if I'm done riding and I want to throw some of my gear in here so I'm not carrying it everywhere, that's what I use it for. My other bag is my pickleball bag. What I put in here is all my pickleball stuff, because I play pickleball. How many times can I say pickleball? So I've got paddles, I've got balls, I've got bug spray, but overall, I've really liked these bags. So far, these bags have checked all my boxes. They've been pretty waterproof, even though I haven't put them through a whole lot of waterproofing tests. It's got this really nice handle on the side that you can use to carry with, as well as the backpack straps, and it's got a bunch of clips to secure everything down. Probably the best part of these backpacks, besides them looking sweet, is how durable they are. I really haven't had any problems with quality. Nothing has torn, nothing has really broken as far as the bulk of the backpack. All the weld points are still welded together, so it's been a really great option. I have experienced a couple of issues with the buckles, at least on the black bag, because like I said, I use it the most. The first buckle to go was the chest strap buckle. It broke, I don't know how, it's probably my fault, but I replaced it and that was super easy. It's also got a whistle. I also had a problem with the buckle on the top. Somehow that got caught in a door jam. Don't ask me how, it just happened. When it broke, I couldn't really replace it because these straps don't come undone, they are sewn together. But luckily Amazon has these ones that you can bolt in, and that worked out perfectly. If you're interested, I can do a review on the replacement buckle in another video. I've also had a little bit of a problem with the zipper on the front. One time I went to open this, and I could probably do it right now, it opens all the way up and disconnects itself from the zipper. I was able to fix that. Maybe not, maybe I just fudged up. There should really be a stopper at the end of the zipper so that doesn't happen. I don't know why there isn't. See what I do for you guys? I'm trying to show you an issue this thing has, and then I've just created a much bigger issue. I do it because I love you. There we go. Needless to say, I don't think the zippers on the exterior of the bag are part of the waterproof construction. Since I've used this black bag the most, the Velcro is basically useless. So in my opinion, they should just get rid of the Velcro. I'm sure it doesn't serve that much of a purpose, especially since mine basically doesn't work anymore. So just get rid of that. I don't think you need it. Most dry bags don't have Velcro up here. The inside is pretty deep. Like, you can put a lot of stuff in here, which I really like. When I go to the grocery store, I want to be able to throw a bunch of stuff in my bag if I need to. And I've put a lot of stuff in here before. Another thing I really like about this bag, especially coming from a motorcycle rider standpoint, is this pocket on the side. Although this kind of has cons as well. It's a pretty deep pocket. Like, it goes all the way to the front of the bag here, which I think is kind of unnecessary. It could just be like a slot here, big enough to hold your phone and your wallet. Because if I'm riding my motorcycle and I need to get into my backpack really quick, like to get my wallet when I'm pumping gas, I want to be able to turn it on its side, open the zipper, and it's just right there. But because that pocket's so deep, I gotta reach in here and try and find it, which with motorcycle gloves, see, I could do it. It's just more difficult. The other thing I just noticed sitting here is that this padding for your back, it is starting to kind of fray, but that's not a huge deal, I guess. Another thing about this backpack that I think is kind of strange is the way that these straps on the front are set up. They look like a mole system, but usually mole is horizontal. The makers could change that, I would assume, but maybe it takes away from the aesthetic of the bag. Maybe there's a purpose to these being vertical. I don't know. But I think it would make more sense if they were horizontal. We use these backpacks in a lot of different scenarios. Like I said, I take it every time I go on my motorcycle. We take them traveling, camping. Everybody seems to like them. We get compliments on them all the time. Out of 5 stars, I'm gonna give these bags 4 stars. They're really cool looking, they're really durable, they've kept all my stuff dry. Besides a few little flaws here and there, which are pretty easy to fix, I think they're a great backpack and I'm excited to keep using them.